An open French drain is usually used at the end of a driveway or maybe a sidewalk or even somewhere in the middle of the yard where you've got an extreme runoff, sheet water runoff. It comes mostly from parking lots or driveways, and the open French drain allows the water to drop directly into the French drain. Let's take a look and see how this actually works. Okay, now we're going to simulate it with today's pipe, and you can see there's holes on the one side of the pipe. This is the perforation. These holes point down. We'll set that into the trench. As it rains, water comes down through the gravel and floods up into your pipe, and it will enter those holes which are on the bottom. If those holes are pointing upward, that water has to rise all the way up here before it can enter the hole. So we put our holes pointing down, and now we're going to cover it up with gravel. Now let's just simulate by putting our garden hose out here and see how long it takes for the water to get through the pipe, through the gravel. Pretty good rainfall. We're adding water to the gravel. The water goes down through the gravel to the bottom of the trench and will eventually begin to flow. It flows through the gravel first because there are voids in the gravel, but as we add more water directly, it will start to flow through the pipe. And that's why holes point down. You can see the water coming through the holes. Floods up from the bottom of the trench into the pipe and is carried away. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.